Gary. I got that right.
I actually shoot.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Give us now. I wish you guys could stop calling me wrong. Yeah. I don't know if this is going to work. Oh, my neck would take a beating. I'd have to look over my shoulder on this one. Lap number 1, your leader is the 75. And Gary Seegan cannot back up. And the young gun, he's learning how to. Noah. It's Noah or death. I don't know if he has it on. 75 is pulling away with this. Because he is a veteran and a great driver. Kyle McAlpine is really wheel. Yeah. Working them up, hope to show favoritism, but doing a hell of a job somehow. Whoa! Okay, just turn back around, buddy. There you go. Okay, 18's making gains. Pumping the gas. Just helping it. Oh, something lighting up inside, though. Some kind of light. And Gary, I told you could back up. He's having some problems. Gary might want to stick to frontwards. 75 flying. Oh yeah, he might be doing well on now. I don't think so. Whoa, here he comes in the 18. I don't think he's going to run down to 75 though. Oh, you let right off there when you got near Gary. Okay, that 77 struggling. 18 running. This is on the job training for him, I believe. Kyle don't trust Gary, so he's taking it easy now. Watch out. Yeah. Oh, Gary. Yeah. Let him go, Kyle. Let him go. Second flag goes to Kyle McAlpine. 2 wins today. Gary did not get second this time, it don't look like. The 18 can back up the rest of the way. I think he can do it. I think he can. Yeah, I think this is his debut. What did they do? Second place. The 18. And Gary, you might as well quit. Whoa, is Gary going slow now? Something wrong with him. Nice job, 75. Good job. Thanks for coming today, ladies and gentlemen. I think this is it. If they come out with something else.